A lot of what we need to do and want to do as banks is leverage the best available solutions and technologies, which by definition are partner developed. Many of them are going to be using new age technologies, including cloud provided services. And so the fact that regulators are saying we're encouraging banks to use APIs, to partner, to collaborate, they want to see innovation happening in their market, and we want to be able to leverage the best of what's available. So that posture is important, right? Because historically regulators have been more conservative about the degree to which banks partner, particularly with software as a service or cloud-based solutions. And I think what regulators have now realized, and they're now looking to the banks in their markets to be the enablers that they should be, because I think everyone realizes you're not going to replace the banking system overnight with startups. Actually, there's a tremendous potential synergy between banks and startups because they bring a singular focus on a specific problem or set of problems. That singular focus tends to create quite innovative solutions, but they need the customer base of banks, they need the regulatory ability and experience of banks, and I think there's tremendous potential synergy there. We run broadly a common platform across the region. We've built a set of APIs that is common across the region, and that set of APIs is live, it's working, it's been live for almost a year. We have a number of partners that are actively using them. We've got about 2,000 developers who've registered on the developer portal, which is a public-facing portal. Anyone can go and visit it and can register. In that portal, they can pull down sample code, tools, developer kits. They can build working prototypes. They can actually build working prototypes that make calls on these APIs, and they will behave as if they were in a production environment using dummy data. There are APIs that enable triggering the onboarding process of a new customer. So if a partner wanted to do business with Citi and bring potential new customers to Citi, they can use those to seamlessly put the potential customer through Citi's onboarding process. They also include enabling access to accounts, to transaction history, and even to transactions like move money between accounts. So it's a suite of 59 APIs, covers about 80% of our capabilities from a retail experience point of view. And in fact, our best use case of these APIs commercially is with Qantas in Australia, where we are now the white label provider of their customer loyalty credit card, right? The Qantas Frequent Flyer card, which is a credit card. And they, working with one of their partners, took our APIs and built a full-featured mobile banking app, Qantas branded, in about 7 months using our APIs. And so, I think that's a very good proof point. There are other proof points of, smaller, e-commerce players and so on, using the APIs in a partner context. But it's just the beginning of the journey, really.